Hello, my precious people. What is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Win, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. Guys, this video is all about me sharing my very first week of 2026 along with all of you, and this video is going to be how I do my self-care for the first 7 days of 2026. This video is all going to be self-care video. So yes, now, so if you want to know what all things I do, then please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am the Sassy Leovin, and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into gray and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just gear up and get going. Today is 1st January, and today the very first thing for self-care that I am going to do is for mental peace. So today I am going to Diksha Bhumi. So let's go. Guys, here we reached and look at our pretty Diksha Bhumi. The vibes here are so divine. We feel so peaceful and calm. Here you can see the Mahabodhi tree, and also you can see the tears in my eyes because I was feeling so overwhelmed. Also, the golden hour is making our Diksha Bhumi look so beautiful. Guys, today is day 2, and for day 2, this is going to be a hair day. So I will be doing hair oiling, hair wash, and also I will be you got me, है ना? So let's get going. The first step comes detangling our hair, which is very important. उसके बाद मैं कर रही हूँ hair oiling. Now it's time for head massage. This feels so relaxing. Lastly, tying my hair in a braid. Alright, so step 1 is done. Now I will be keeping it for an hour or so, and uske baad I will be washing my hair. Now of course I am not gonna film it, but I will be telling you कि मैं कौन से steps follow करूँगी while washing my hair. So firstly I will do double cleansing because I always double cleanse my scalp. That helps in removing buildup and cleaning the scalp thoroughly. So yeah, that's that. Then I will condition my lens, that is I will be applying conditioner. Uske baad I will apply hair mask, and I will be keeping it for 5 to 10 minutes or so, and uske baad I will be washing my hair. So yeah, once I am done washing my hair, I will see you in a bit. Guys, I am done with my shower, and I have already detangled my hair for the sake of getting 110% sure that there are no tangles. I am detangling my hair again. I am just trimming the dead ends. Now point cut करते हैं. This is the length of my hair. Yeah, this is how they are looking. Well, this was all about day 2. Now I shall see you in day 3, that is tomorrow. Today is day 3 of self-care, and for day 3, we will be going to do manicure. So let's start. Now it's time to cut our nails. And it's done. And it's time to get rid of this pretty nail color. So on a piece of cotton, I am taking nail paint remover, wrapping it around my nails and sealing it using an aluminium foil. Now I will be keeping it for 10 minutes or so. Now it's time to remove it, and you can see मेरा gel top coat था, but ये बहुत easily इस process से remove हो गया है. So yeah, our nails are squeaky clean now. Okay, in this container I am adding warm water, थोड़ा सा salt, shower gel, and lastly lemon. Now dipping my hands. This definitely is so relaxing, I tell you. I have dipped my hand for 15 minutes straight. Now I will be scrubbing my hands, and for that I am not going to use any kind of body scrub, but we will be using a natural exfoliant that is rich in vitamin C. And yes, I am talking about this lemon जो हमने squeeze करके डाला था, and I am using that itself to scrub my hands. So yeah. Moving ahead to the next step, we are using cuticle remover to soften our cuticles. Then I am pushing my cuticles back a bit. Time to cut the cuticles, and whatever is left, I am removing it using my nail cutter. Alright, here we are at the last step, that is hand cream. Applying the hand cream by lightly massaging my palm. And our manicure is all done. Also, I am focusing nicely on my cuticles so they are well moisturized because no cuticle oil this time. And our manicure is all done. It is day 4 today, and for day 4 we will be removing our blackheads. So let's do that. Here is my kettle जिसमें मैंने water boil किया है, and look at the steam. So मैं इस तरह से steam लेती हूँ and then I remove my blackheads and also my whiteheads. Guys, it is day 5 today, and for today we are going to do sheet masking. I will be using this Instaglow शीट मास्क विथ यूजू विटामिन सी विच इज़ फ्रॉम क्वेंच. मैंने इसे परचेज किया है फ्रॉम जिप्टो एंड मुझे बाई टू गेट टू ऑफर मिला है. सो दैट वॉज ग्रेट आई थिंक. इसलिए मैंने एक साथ 4 शीट मास्क परचेज किए हैं. सो या टुडे वी विल बी यूजिंग दिस. सो लेट्स डू दैट. द सीरम इज लिटरली ड्रिपिंग फ्रॉम इट. ओए, figuring this out this time was a task. Anyways, application time. Right guys, I am done applying this. इतना अच्छा cooling sensation मिल रहा है, you know. And let me tell you, जो पिंक वाला मैंने पहले भी यूज़ किया है, this one I am using it for the very first time. So yeah, I will be keeping it for 15 minutes and उसके बाद I'll see you. Guys, 15 minutes later, here I am. Now it's time to remove this, so let's do it. I will take this and apply it all over my neck and of course the back of our neck. Still a lot of serum is remaining in this, so what I will do, of course we are not gonna waste it, so I will be rubbing this all over my hands and legs. So yeah, this was all about day 5. I shall see you tomorrow in day 6. Hello my precious people, today is day 6 and today we will be doing pedicure, so let's do that. This is really going to be a relaxing session, so let's begin. Taking warm water, I am adding salt, thoda sa, and to that I am adding shower gel. Lastly, lemon juice. If you can see, my nails are squeaky clean and I don't feel the need to cut them, so I am dipping my feet directly. I will catch you after 10 to 15 minutes, alright? Applied Shield's Professional Cuticle Remover and I am now pushing my cuticles back. वैसे my nails are pretty clean but still hygiene purpose के लिए we should keep our nails clean, so that's what I am doing here. Next thing comes scrubbing our feet, so we are doing that. Now I am cleaning the skin on my feet, so that's what I am doing. Now it's time for callus removal. Now pumice stone. I am done washing and drying my feet with clean water. Now it's time for foot cream. I'm massaging my feet gently. Lastly, wearing socks. That's it. Hello my precious people, today is day 7, that is the last day of our self-care series, and today we will be doing our nails. Now guys, here's the catch, that is I will be doing my toenails as well as my hand nails simultaneously. So yeah, let's do that. Let's start with our feet first and here goes the base coat. Alright, so जब तक हमारा बेस को ड्राई होता है, let's shape our nails. Now here I am applying base coat. Here goes the first coat of our nail polish. Same nail color I will be applying on my hands too. Next goes the second coat of nail color on our toes and followed by a top coat. This time I am applying a dual tone top coat. Next I am sticking rhinestones randomly just in an ombre fashion on my hand nails, followed by a gel top coat to seal everything in. Lastly applying cuticle oil, and this is the final look. Right guys, so this was all about my self-care session. I have kept one session per day because as we are doing everything all by ourselves and this is a self-pampering relaxing session, so I did not want that to be tiring because at the end अगर हम सब कुछ एक दिन में करते हैं, सो इट फील्स अ बिट टायरिंग एट द एंड ऑफ ऑल. सो आई डिड नॉट वॉन्ट दैट टू हैपन, so that is the reason. And with this we come to an end of today's video. If you like such kind of videos, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials, link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Until then, this is me even signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.